folks, this is going to be a quick follow-up to the Sound Emperor review. Thanks to Jason over at Fidget Boy. After experiencing this piece and really loving it, he brought to my attention that it also came with smaller tuning forks, which when I talked about it in my review, I said that I was pretty sure they had a different design when it first came out. Now, these screws are Loctite, are in there with Loctite, due to the fact that they were coming out occasionally. But when I had originally seen this advertised, it showed it as having these smaller tuning forks. Jason told me that he thinks these smaller tuning forks are superior. We're going to give it a shot. I have not tried these out yet. Let's plop them out there and try it out. What are these? Oh boy. That's going to be a small problem. Hold on, I got to go get a Phillips head. Alright, sorry about that. You do need a Phillips head because the screws that came with it for the small tuning forks are Phillips head. So this way, instead of it going vertically, they've got two that go horizontally. Pop that in there. Oh, that's not magnetic. Jason said that this has kind of a different feel, different sound. And I am curious about that. Okay. Make sure it's not touching the edges. There's one. I don't know if it matters, but I'm going to make the other one. Oh, it does matter because obviously there's the frickin' screw hole, Kyle. Duh. Okay. Here we go. Oh, while I'm at it, shout out to Otter EDC for sending me this sweet coin and some new spacers for my triple stack from them. If you guys haven't checked them out, Otter EDC on Etsy. Such a good 3D printed slider. Okay, let's check it out. Now I know I'm going to have to re-Loctite when I'm done here, depending on if I like this setup. Wow, it's even louder. That's even louder than it was before. My God, I thought it was already quite loud, but Listen to that. Wow. It's even like vibrating in there. Jesus. I'm guessing that I've got one of the little tuning forks touching the edge. Wow. Do I want to keep it that way, though? I wonder. Maybe that's too loud. Anyway, I'm going to... Wow. That's so insane. Anyway, folks, if you have the Sound Emperor, these are going to get you even more sound from this guy. I think I'm going to do it. I think I'm going to go, I don't know, maybe half and half. I mean, that already sounds loud enough. I got to fix that one, though. That's going to drive me nuts. Yeah. So that's it. I mean, let's call it at that. This is just a follow-up. I wanted to show you guys kind of what that entailed. So yeah, Sound Emperor. Thanks, guys.